Hey everyone, this is Mark from Red Arrow Industries here for another To The Point tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm gonna go over... what was I gonna go over again? Oh right. I'm gonna go over how you can create an audio slowdown and speedup effect, like the ones I just used a moment ago, using the Vari-Fi Effect in Avid Media Composer. Okay, so in my timeline here, I've already laid down a nice track of music. First thing is to find the spot in the music where you want the effect to be and add an edit. I like making mine on a downbeat, so let's try here maybe. Next, determine how long you want the effect to last. I'm just gonna make mine about a second, and then cut everything that's after it. Now let's go to Tools, and open up the Audio Suite window. Making sure your track is highlighted, toggle down on the Plugin Select menu, and select Verify down on the bottom. Once the effect is applied, let's open up the Effect dialog window and look through some of our settings. As you can see, there's actually not too much customization here. You can change your music to either slow down or speed up. You can also have the effect fit to, meaning it'll maintain the duration of the original audio, or extend, which will increase the duration by 150%. However, this feature only seems to work as explained when in Pro Tools, not Avid Media Composer. And finally, you can have a built-in fade on or off. Since I'm wanting the music to end, I'm going to choose slow down, fit to, and then turn the fade on. Let's render this and see what it sounds like. Perfect. Feel free to always go back, make tweaks, and see how the sound changes. Now I'm going to start the music back, which is a bit trickier. I'll start by laying down the section I want to have come up in the music. I'm just going to have a quick run up before the big hit in the song. So if I make my edit for how long I want this to last, add my Vari-Fi effect, and then choose speed up and fit to this time, let's see what happens. So yeah, you can hear the right sound that we're wanting, but the music cuts aren't lining up great. And if I swap to extend, you can see that it still doesn't sound that great. Here's a solid workaround. Make your cut for the section of the music you're wanting, and then bring it down an audio layer. Place an in point at the beginning, and then an out point a little way past where your cut ends, giving you some room. Now go to Timeline, Mixdown, and create an audio mixdown. Now you can add your Vari-Fi effect, and turn on your waveforms to see exactly where the cut should be and line it up with your music. Nice. Adding these kinds of music effects really vamp up your videos and help grab the viewer's attention, so consider finding ways to incorporate them into your edits. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about the Vari-Fi effect, comment below. And if you want to find any more of our tutorials, hit that subscribe button. And then also check us out on our Facebook page, Red Arrow Industries, or at our website at redarrowindustries.com.